Hey everybody, this is Manish Sethi, founder of Pavlok. I'm super excited to give you a quick demo of our Pavlok app for the Pavlok 2 wearable device. So I've been working on this for 4 years. Our app has gone through hundreds of iterations, and we're finally releasing what my Pavlok vision has been since the beginning. The core of behavior change and the core of Pavlok is that it's not there's no one product, there's no one habit we're solving. We're trying to create the platform for habits. So for example, you think of Apple, right? Apple has an app store, where you're able to add and buy and sell new apps and create new apps and download and create your own. And in the same way for behavior change and with Pavlok, we created a wearable device that vibrates, beeps, and zaps. It's a platform. I think of it like a rumble pack. When you played the N64, it's like the games are good, but when you have a rumble pack, when it's vibrating, every game gets better with a rumble pack. And the way I looked at it is that the world should be having its own rumble pack. And Pavlok is designed to do that. It's like a rumble pack for behavior change. I kind of like saying the word rumble. Anyway, this is the new Pavlok app. As you can see here, it's a platform. There's multiple apps, and like they always say, don't reinvent the wheel. Just like the Apple App Store, we're able to add new ones and remove old ones. So the first things first is, here you can see that the core apps that Pavlok ships with come with the remote control, which lets you, vibrate and beep and zap. And it lets you have alarms, so you're able to set your own alarms at specific times. These can also be named alarms, like reminders, so you'll get vibrations throughout the day for things like meditate or drink a glass of water. Got timers, so you can set a timer, walk away. If you can't hear your alarm, we'll be able to hear it here. And stopwatches for things like I want it to vibrate every 2 minutes. I use it to vibrate every 2 minutes while meditating to bring myself back to focus. When you start the app, you'll start off with just a few of these. So you got your remote, you got your course. You'll be able to take a course that teaches you how to use Pavlok and how to break any bad habit. So this is a training on aversive conditioning. You'll be able to learn how to break bad habits using both meditation and cognitive behavioral therapy, plus using aversion to create that negative association with the habit you want to stop doing. And we actually have a new app that's experimental. We haven't released it to the world, but if you download now, you'll be able to do it. The sleep course is a course on sleeping better. So what's cool though is as you go through each of the apps, as you utilize Pavlok, you'll be earning our in-app currency, our digital currency called volts. It's basically points for doing good, healthy habits. And you'll see here's the world right now. People are using it at this moment. I'm sending good vibes to people by whenever I see them do a good habit and I press this button, they'll receive vibrations and a push notification that says, Manish just sent you good vibes. So for example, Justin right now is going to be getting good vibes from me. You can even send it to yourself. This is one of my fun Easter eggs. Sometimes you just got to treat yourself, and I just felt a vibration on my wrist. So back here, okay, cool, you've already seen this. Here you're able to see some of those volts that you'll be earning each day are your volts. They're in your wallet. And you'll be earning these volts for doing healthy behaviors. And you can, of course, spend those volts on new apps and new courses and new integrations. So right here are different apps that you can unlock. For example, perhaps you want to unlock, Zappy Bird, which is a game a lot like Flappy Bird, but instead of earning points instead of just playing a game where you get vibrations and you earn points and you get zapped when you get zapped when you die. And you'll be able to unlock new courses, and we have new modules coming very soon. In fact, we created a section for people to vote on new modules. So we'll be building these modules out as very, very shortly. The one we're working on right now is a gratitude module where you'll be able to, it's like a list that reminds you to write 3 things daily to be grateful to help you increase your happiness. Blacklisting websites is the highest voted one. We need to work out some of the tech on building this, but basically letting people set websites and apps they want to quit using so that they're able to not use it anymore. One of the top ones is Zap Manish, so like screw you guys for wanting to hurt me. And then Pomodoro Focus Timer, which is a timer that we're setting up. It's an accountability timer which makes sure you stay focused and stick on track for behaviors you want to do. You'll be able to vote for the apps you want, and as you see, it's going to be built out very rapidly. I'm pretty stoked about this because this is exactly what we are trying to do, and what I've been trying to do with Pavlok forever. Create a platform for people to be able to create new behaviors and old behaviors and achieve whatever goal they set for themselves. So you want to join right now, believe me. People who joined Pavlok early on are earning much more volts than anybody else will starting next year. If you haven't guessed, Pavlok volts will most likely be a cryptocurrency in the coming year, and you'll actually be able to earn and get paid for doing healthy habits. So definitely stay on so check out Pavlok right now. We have a limited supply for Christmas. If you really, there's a lot more here, and I'll be showing you guys a lot more stuff. Here's the Explore section with apps and articles and such. But you definitely want to join right now because there's huge bonuses this year. We're limited in supply for Christmas, and I believe that there's a discount, so check the email for that. But now is the time. So welcome to the Pavlok 2 community very soon. I can't wait to see you on the other side. You can download the app even without a Pavlok, but I hyper recommend you get started right away. Thank you very much.